All the problems are stuck between mind and matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. Don't allow others to control the direction of your life. Don't allow your emotions to overpower your intelligence. I am slowly learning that life is better lived when you don't center it on what's happening around you and center it on what's happening inside you. Work on yourself and your inner peace. Don't judge yourself. Don't go into the past or future. Choose what feels right for you in that moment. Owning our story and loving ourselves through that process is the bravest thing that we will ever do. People say holding on is a sign of greatest strength. No, my dear, actually, the real strength is in knowing when to let go and have the courage to do it. Remember, your entire past is over with the sunrise. Your entire future begins today. Blaming never gives you a solution. Only taking responsibility will give you a solution. Remember, making someone responsible for your miseries also make them responsible for your happiness. Why give that power to anyone else but to yourself only? Knowing your worth is the first step towards self-love. Every phase in our life is meant to teach us something valuable, but it all depends on us whether we analyze the lessons or just turn the pages. 3 things you are in control of: your response to your feelings, what you hold on to, and what you let go. Always remember, a complaining mind is never peaceful, but a grateful heart is always peaceful. Don't be afraid to start over again this time, because you are not starting from scratch, you are starting from experience. If you don't like something, just take away its only power, your attention. Before you can be anything, you have to be yourself. Give yourself the same care and attention that you give to others and watch yourself bloom. Take all the time you need to heal emotionally. Moving on doesn't take a day. It takes a lot of little steps to be able to break free of your broken self. Remember, it's never too late to become who you want to be and live a life you are proud of. In order to move on, you must understand why you felt what you did and why you no longer need to feel it. Happiness and freedom begin with a clear understanding of one principle. That is, some things are within your control and some things are not. Growth means choosing happiness over history and never looking back. The most heroic battles is the one that you fight against yourself. Be a winner, beat yourself. Be brave enough to find the life you want and courageous enough to choose it. Realize the fact that you have the power to choose what to accept and what to let go. Appreciating the good in others is a small gesture that needs huge courage. Only confident people can do that, not the jealous ones. Remember, if life is giving you a chance to see the sunrise each day, it is giving you a chance to rise every day. It's not what you do, it's how you do it. It's not what you see, it's how you look at it. It's not how your life is, it's how you live it. Standing up for yourself doesn't make you argumentative. Sharing your feelings doesn't make you oversensitive. And saying no doesn't make you uncaring or selfish. If someone won't respect your feelings, needs, and boundaries, the problem isn't you, it's them. Always remember that.